Good morning. I'm Joe Herbert, your Erie real estate agent. And today I want to show you a new listing, 1405 West 21st Street. And currently it's the home of Precise Polishing. It's a 5,500 square feet commercial building, 2 overhead doors. The whole building is heated with forced air heat and central air. There's 2 nice offices, a huge polishing area, an ADA bathroom. The roof's only 10 years old. The entire building, plumbing, electric, emergency lights, smoke detectors, all hardwired, everything up to code. This place is gorgeous. 20 parking spaces. It's zoned light industrial, which allows a lot of business uses. So today we're going to go check this building out. Come on, it's a great property. But before we go in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the thumb to like the video, and click the bell to get more notifications for properties like this. Now let's go in. So right now I'm on the east side of the building and you can see some of the paved parking. As I mentioned, there's 20 paved parking spaces. There's 2 overhead doors that are both 10 feet high and the ceilings are 11 feet. So in this side here, you'll see one of the overhead doors is open. We're going to scan the entire outside of the property and then we'll go inside some of these spaces to take a look. So that's a scan of the entire exterior, and that's the second overhead building. And then if you look behind me, the rest of the paved parking. Now we're going to go take a look inside. I'm inside the first garage bay work area, and this was completely redone. Drywall, drop ceiling, glass block windows, epoxy coated floor, and there's also a resin heater in here, and it's heated with the forced air gas and central air. Now keep in mind, I want to make a quick point. The business is not for sale. So a lot of the equipment and things you're seeing won't be here. Just the building is for sale, and the price is $450,000. So now we're entering the main polishing area. This is where all the polishing professionals sit and polish tools and dies and things like that. So come on in. This is carpeted, drywalled, drop ceiling. Again, forced air heat, central air, tons of workbenches. So let's walk this way a little bit. Follow me now into the cafeteria and employee break area. And again, it's all brand new. All the plumbing, the kitchen, electric, it's all been updated. It's a beautiful space. All these appliances would stay. This is a ceramic tile floor. Again, drop ceiling, forced air heat, and central air. So follow me now into the two big front offices in the customer entrance. First, take a quick look at this nice storage room so you can see one of the three newer four-stair high-efficiency furnaces. Now this area was where the administrative assistants would sit to greet the customers that would come in. And there's a lobby here for the customers to come in and a reception window. But right now the owners use this as their main office, and then there's another beautiful office here to my right. So now I'm in the west garage bay, and again, this is where the second 10-foot overhead door is. Again, plenty of means of egress. This has forced air heat, central air, windows, drop ceiling, drywall. This could be office space, storage, or work bay. But again, just a great space, completely redone. So that concludes the tour of 1405 West 21st Street. 5,400 square feet, zone light industrial, 20 paved parking spaces, two 10-foot overhead doors. The building is completely redone. $450,000. You're thinking about buying or selling real estate, or you want to tour this building, call or text me 814-602-6181. And remember, click the thumb to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell for more notifications. I'm Joe Herbert, your Erie real estate agent. Thanks for watching.